Hi guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. It's time for your Music Minute. Today I'm telling you about this guy, the Piccolo Trumpet, and telling you a little bit about how these two compare. So this is the B-flat trumpet. He is most popular in band, and he's probably the one you know the most about. So let me play a minute of this, and then I'll play that little guy. Okay, so you got that in your head. Now let me play the same pitches, but on this little guy. You know that if something is smaller, it makes a higher pitch. Listen to the difference. So that's the piccolo. You have to practice a long time on this guy before they'll let you try out this little puppy. So I hope this helps you want to maybe play the piccolo one day. Check out my other music minutes, subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates, click the links in the description below for my other social media sites and for great resources. And don't forget Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend. Hey, I'll take it.